the thing is the positive habits, right? It's the daily habits that defines our future. So first you need to identify what is your current habits, because that creates your future. You that as a futurist knows that if you keep on doing the same thing, that's what your reality is going to be. So first you have to take stock about what is happening in your life. The next thing is that most leaders don't always have anymore. They have it internally, but it has not been written down. What is my vision? What is my Kilimanjaro? What's my mountain I'm going to climb out, right? And then communicating that vision to others to support you to be able to go and achieve that, right? And then it's creating a team. If you think about F1, when the moment that car stops, everyone knows what to do. If one makes a mistake, they lose seconds. But they've trained so much. So how do we do it? Because they all have a vision, a purpose, and a reason why we're doing this. And it's finding that reason and then communicating to the team and then be creating that one team. And one thing that I realized is that the biggest impact we can make in companies to create high performance teams is to create an opportunity to make an impact in our community. So one way they found in studies that if you it's not about writing charity checks. It's about getting your company of people together and say, let's go do charity. And the moment they feel like they are part of a drive, they're making a difference, they will give more at work because now they know there's purpose behind it. So what is that why?